I was sent this flat top Kabuki brush by Beauty Junkees, so let's test it out and see it in action. It's very soft, has a nice white top to it. Okay, let's try it. I have some BB cream here. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand, one pump, and then what I like to do is just dab it onto the brush. So we'll see it on the brush, and then from there, dab it onto my skin and blend. This one has more of like a medium firmness to it, so it is easy to do the real blending strokes with it. But you can also do the dabbing method as well. Very, very soft on my face. Easy to use, so I'm just using up that entire pump. And then I'm using this to blend everything in. And this passes the test. It's a great Kabuki brush. I think you're gonna love it.